we get into the video, I just want to let you guys know we are doing a Christmas giveaway for an iPhone X. To enter, just subscribe to my channel, turn on channel notifications, then watch this video fully through, and then click the Gleam link down in the description below. Once you click the link down in the description below, you'll be brought to this webpage. All you have to do is follow the simple rules and you can win an iPhone X.
What's up guys, it is Top 5 Pup here, and today we're going to be counting down the top 10 swimming pool fails caught on camera. I'm not going to waste any more time, so let's just get straight into the video. Number 10. In this video, a guy is trying to successfully jump over the length of his swimming pool, but he takes the jump a little bit too short, making him hit his butt right on the stone at the other side of the pool.
There's no hope for humanity.
Are you alright?
Number 9. This video shows a man swimming underwater. I'm not really sure where the camera is placed or how this video was taken or what he smashes into, but he seems to smash into a sheet of glass, which is really funny to watch. Number 8. This video shows kids swimming, jumping off of a diving board at a public swimming pool. The first 2 kids successfully dive into the water, but the third one does a huge belly flop, which looks very painful.
Is Uzi on the track?
Number 7. This video shows a dad and a son playing tag in their backyard. When the son doesn't look where he's going, he ends up smashing right into the side of the pool, which makes him flip right into the water. What makes this video super funny to me is that the dad totally just laughs at his kid after he falls into the pool. Number 6. This video looks like it was shot at a backyard pool party, and this guy tries to jump into the pool, but when he's running, he slips on the concrete, making him crash into a girl, knocking her into the pool as well.
Oh my god. Okay.
Number 5. Here we have a kid standing on what looks to be like a homemade diving board, but it doesn't really work that well, seeing as he falls right through the wood, making him fall right into the water.
Susie on the track.
Number 4. This video here is a super painful one. This girl tries to do a backflip off of a diving board, but her feet hit the diving board on the way down, making her do a huge backflip into the water. Number 3. Here we have a little boy playing in a little miniature water slide in his backyard. When he goes to go down the slide, he ends up falling flat on his face, and his dad literally just laughs at him the whole time. Number 2. This video shows 2 kids playing in a mini pool in their front yard. One boy makes it into the pool while the other one smashes into the side, falling onto the ground. Video. Number 1.
Susie on the track.
This last video shows 2 people in their backyard with a pool that looks like it has exploded on the side or something. I have no idea why, but they look like they're trying to fix the water from coming out, but it ends up exploding, making their backyard literally a swimming pool. Also, don't forget that I am doing a giveaway for an iPhone X this month, and all you have to do to be entered is to click the link in the description below, follow the Twitter account included, and subscribe to the 2 YouTube channels listed, and that is all you have to do to be entered. It is so easy, so you guys should all go and do that right away, and that is all I have for you guys today. I will see you in my next video.